Error solved. It is not found any files specified for IsarcExtract Windows 10, 11, 8, and 7. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's go ahead and fix this problem. First of all, come below at the PC's search bar, then type in the game that you are having trouble with. On the right hand side, click on Open File Location. Under here, you will see the game again, right click onto it, and again click on Open File Location. Now let's go ahead and minimize this screen. Now under here, you will see the resources for this game. Click onto it and drag and drop it onto your desktop. Just as you do so, close this window. And now that you have changed the file location, you have to rename it. Right click onto it, you will see this rename icon. Click onto it. Click enter. Then go ahead and try again and see if this fixes your problem or not. Now the next step you want to follow if it's not working is by opening up your web application. At the top search bar, type in DLLME space files. As you do so, you will see delme.com at the first search result. Open it. And here at the search bar, type in IsarcExtract. Once you do so, search for this. You will see IsarcExtract. Click onto it. Then click on Start Download. Now wait for a couple seconds till this downloading process gets completed. Now here, click onto your download, open your file, copy all these, and once you do so, go onto your game drive. For instance, if your game drive is drive C, click onto it, go for Windows or the game folder, and here simply paste the downloaded file. And then restart your device, and that shall fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.